In
this.
my thoughts, yep, I'm going to chop her off quick. Chop her off quick. I'm going away.
Yo, me start have conversation and I say, no, I see nothing. This is not what I said.
Hello friends and welcome to another video. We are here once again.
Welcome to our channel.
We should have, well, yeah. So remember, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so in the section below. Guys. Alright. So tonight we're gonna be talking about our first date. Yes guys, our very first date. Yeah. First time Sarah, I said, wow, sweet, sexy, hot, in a blue dress. Yes guys, that blue dress, I'm so sick. Yay! So, I'm trying to pick her up. Now, my game never so strong enough, but he said, hey, listen, we're going to fiction.
First of all, it was a Saturday night. I worked all day that Saturday. As a matter of fact, it was a busy week for me.
Oh.
And I worked all day that Saturday. And I was so tired.
Why you still want to go out?
Yes, I wanted to
Yeah.
this weekend.
So you wanted to meet Mr. Awesome, you know. So yeah, so she's tired but she still want to go out. So I said, okay. So I said, fiction we are going on. I said, cool. So I pick her up too early. You know, she told me where she live. I'm gonna drive, go down and get her. You know, cause man a gangster man. But anyway. So
But you was very fortunate enough to get the opportunity to pick me up because I don't normally travel strangers.
well guys, here it's the kind of personality that I have. When she heard my voice over the phone and you know, she like, yeah, that dude, yeah, I'm so different. You can't trust him. He come on me yard, come pick me up. So I go out yard and pick her up. You know, we don't wait. She come out. And yeah.
Wait. Everybody, wait.
She did look good, people. She did look good. So anyway, we end up Lebanos. The first place we go after we left Spanish Town. It's Lebanos we go.
Yeah.
So we got Lebanos and
We had ice cream at Lebanon.
man, we go in a line,
So
giant line and so I'm buy ice cream because they want to spend some time with a chica, yeah, you know, so so man, sit down and eat ice cream, people. And I said, oh, yeah, no, I'm not going to fear out of that. You know, whatever play out.
Wait, show them the picture with us eating ice cream.
Yes, guys, see picture there. Look fun, no joke.
Yeah.
Alright, so I eat ice cream and time I fly. And in my mind I said, yeah, we'll go fiction soon. I'll go up and dance, I'll probably dance. That's what I go through my mind. We never know what I go through fear of mind still, but you know say yes, after ice cream done, fiction we are going.
Yeah, I was looking forward to going to fiction because that's where we actually planned to go. But our day started so early. So we went to Lebanon to kill some time before going to fiction at the party time. So then
So fiction time come and I will reach it too early again. Jesus Christ. We was early so.
yeah, we were early.
So people we reach fiction and we have to park up at fiction. We have to park up because so we can't go in yet. Too early.
Yeah, and I better sleep in the car.
Hold on, I'm going to say, yo, hold on, man. I'm going to say it. People when I can't talk, you know, what a reason. And it's like, you look over and say, I don't want to fall asleep. I said, be bored, you know, that date and I'm going nowhere. Because, you know, me I talk about some nice things, you know.
I was super tired.
Like,
As I said, I worked hard that week and the week
And
was
the same.
closed on the Saturday night.
I be decent, and I talk about good stuff, nice stuff. And I try to, getting our DM like that. So I talk about good stuff. And the woman fall asleep on me. Guys, me I talk about some nice things,
I was super tired. As I said, I worked hard that week, and the week has closed on the Saturday night.
Me I be decent, and I talk about good stuff, nice stuff. I try to, getting our DM like that. I talk about good stuff. And the woman fall asleep on me. People, this never happened yet, Me never go to nobody and then fall asleep on me. Fall asleep on me. So,
babes, now what you did boring?
I'm not boring. I'm not boring. You're just tired. You're just tired. So,
babes, now what you did boring?
I'm not boring. I'm not boring. I'm not boring. You're just tired. You're just tired.
Yes, I was tired.
And I try to find a way to mess up the night. Like you say, yo.
I was look for the time and realize that fiction open like what, 10:30?
It's 10:30, 11.
I was still like we have a whole 1.5 like I'm saying, no, that's not a long way.
People, so we not care them long hours there. Two strangers. So I get to know each other. We not care them long hours there. AC that work, right? AC was working.
Yeah man, with
Alright, so AC that work, so she cool and things. So yeah. So at least she never complains to yo. Man compete in panic and walk. Yeah, AC that work, guys. So I said to her, I said, she like she was gonna want sleep state, people. Them bed sleep, eh? So I said,
I saw me trust me jump asleep to take me away.
Man like take man.
Take a man look like.
So people, they said to her, so they say, yo, you want me to carry you home? She said, what did you say? I didn't know what you said to me, but
yeah, because I was sleeping.
I didn't know
what I answered you.
I don't even know people is that I start drive out the car and get back a Spanish town. Bring her home. And I said, Chan must imagine man, waste them time and know that woman and go and go and out.
You go straight back on Mandela.
Hold on man.
Straight back on Mandela.
People. So I just start driving. I said, okay, I am Mr. Decent, I am Mr. Polite. I am bringing back this lady to our yard. I'm not going to argue, I'm not going to debate. What is to be, must be, and what must not be, must not be. So we drive out. So on the journey back, I try to talk to her, but I'm not getting much of her. So I say, yo,
you can expect me over to ride.
Come up on the road, because my night can't end so. It's a bad night.
So yes, I only the friend to come back on the road.
Yes, I'm telling the man a gangster, I'm telling the man a gangster, Man back pocket full of things, Anyway, people. So I reached for Mandela. The time Mandela never fix again.
I don't remember.
I don't remember the boy. So we had Mandela and Mr. Torres and we said, how you feeling? Sure you want to go home? And she just said, yeah, I'm sleep. I said, you sure you want to go home? You sure you don't want to go back? Because sometimes they are club time.
First of all, I was disappointed. I had mixed emotions. It mixed with tiredness. I was disappointed that I didn't really have any fun. Just having ice cream,
That's what you want.
That wasn't really what I wanted.
I'm fiction, so yeah, fiction.
Yeah, but I'm gonna reach like 2 minutes away from my yard. I'm gonna reach fiction it. Like seriously?
Yeah, so
you reach back almost on my yard,
Yeah, people, so me and my thoughts and she has
so what is it? So what can I do?
Me and my thoughts, yeah, I'm gonna drop her off quick. Drop her off quick. I'm going away.
Yo, me start have conversation and I say, no one see nothing in this, I don't make no sense.
Yeah, man, so you're going to jump up and say, oh, I'm not going to call her back. That's a bad luck to her. Bad luck to her. Imagine me, carry out woman and woman, jump and sleep on you, bring them back in the yard. So anyway, we go on and go on and say, when we near to reach her yard, she said she want to go back. down when you can.
They're full of patience.
She want to go back to the club. She want to go back to the club now. Yeah, see, I'm going to drive. Sometimes I'm not thinking about my gas, you know.
You're not thinking about your gas?
I think about my gas.
What do you think about gas, babes?
I say me drive. Me drive.
If you never know, say you have to think about gas, you know, someone like sheep.
Drive go to Devon House. Then me drive go Fiction. Park up for an hour. Burn AC. Now I'm there for Mandela. And she want me to turn back. I said, no, Star.
So you couldn't tell me, say you think about your gas, but couldn't bother go nowhere.
I said, no, Star, it's not right, you know, it's not right. But anyway, I don't like people. She didn't look hot, you know, like natural hair, you know, skin look clean and everything, face look sweet. So yeah, man, they kind of caught up and I said, yo, yeah, I just get to say, you know. That was the key, I just get to say. So you say, want to go back, so bring her back. Yeah, she said she want to go back at the club, so bring her back. So I said, alright then, club will go ahead.
Yeah, and it's like, we just instantly wake up.
Yeah, people don't know about, like, she realized
we start totally party vibe.
she was in the presence of awesomeness.
Press.
Yeah! So we go back at the club, people. So we just, them time they could have turned back for Amanda like easily, you know? So we just make a U-turn and say, yeah, club vibes, yeah. Okay, well, after that one makes sense now. That me ask myself, I say, yeah, can't really. I have to step up the game for that one because see, I almost lose her, you know, people. So, you know, see, I can step up the game for that one, yeah. So yeah, man, it's back in the place again. So we reach back to Fiction and by the time the club are going and you know club are run and things. And we say yeah. So we go on dance floor. Yeah, people out there dancing and them things. As I said, we are strangers. And if she can dance, she don't know if we can dance. But as some of you might know, you know, once we start sip me liquor, you know. It's a party shot out there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So we got the counter and say, you know, after me ask you, what you want? Yeah. And she said she want, what is it?
I don't remember, whatever that is.
Anyway, so, yeah, I buy her something, buy myself something, and come back and give her. And when the dog go and bounce a little bit, you know? But when the dog bounce and I realize that she bounce close to me, so I said, she like me, you know? And she like me. So
and a party with them, people do a party,
yeah.
Enjoy themselves.
So people were dancing and you know she danced up close to me. And I make use of closeness, you know, go and bounce to
selfies stand kept in a club. When I say
well, people don't have a long time when I take picture.
Someone else so, take selfies with me.
So yeah, we did that, we had dance and you know like dancing vibe was nice because it's not bridging from work, so yes. Just come over and just buy you around and say, I'm say respect Bridget, respect, you know? And go and build the vibes. And
yeah, it was a good vibes, yes.
Yeah, I think that night there was a kind of sense of like a connection. Like, you know.
A little, a lot.
People gave for this suicide club, I think so was there for a long time because they really dance close. Yeah, two lonely people coming together, you know, lots of unlit fires, so you know, we did our dance and we feel the vibe. And you know, I think we're in the club for about, well, we locked the club, we locked the club in a club till club done. You know, and I say, yeah. And I say, yeah. So I say, yeah. Yeah. And I feel like a boss, you know, because, you know, she hold on for man and certain way like, yeah, this is mine, you know. And I say, yeah. Yeah. I feel me this year. You know. So club done. What happened after club, babes?
We're not going to
We drop you off here, yard.
Yeah, you're like, yeah.
So after club, people will jump around for a yard still. I was being a good guy. I wasn't trying to show any
But every day
kind
I
of.
want to see from that. Even after that first day.
Seriously. She ain't wants me to.
Every day. Can't even breathe in peace.
People, yo, what was that? Yo, you don't want to see me too. You don't want to see me too. So anyway, people, after the first date, we realized that, you know, we had a few stuff in common because we did talk about a couple of stuff in the car during that downtime before she fell asleep, and we did realize that, you know, our paths were similar, you know, where we wanted to go in life were similar in terms of goals and the type of content that we were listening to, you know, were similar. So that plus the energy in the party, you know, suggests to us that we could have a few more dates and see where it takes us.
We need to have another first date after the quarantine.
Yeah, we're gonna have that. So we have dates, people. We have dates, and we go out and we hang out and we chill out till we start doing couples do. I know what couples do. Oh, no, what couples do, right? Till we start doing couples do, guys. And we like it. And we just continue doing it. Yeah. So you guys know the rest. You guys know the rest. Oh yeah, I almost didn't lose that one here because, you know, when
but why
people,
you didn't carry me
when
home?
if they carry you home, if they carry you
I
home,
wouldn't get to go nowhere
if
like
they
seriously.
carry you home, that would be it. I just go home and just
Yo, we had chance to go to that boring boy last night.
I think I erase the number so quick, but when I just put you one side and go and do some dating, come and say, yo, it's a bad luck.
But yes, you were doing other dating.
Well, you want to talk about that, you know? That's one next video. That's for one next video. Keep going. Hold on there, listen to that. Yeah, I was yeah, she is right, guys. I was being a smart person in my dating tactics. You know, so as she said, I was doing stuff. So my thing was that if this date never worked out tonight, then that just cause somebody to bring her out. But I think at that time, we couldn't call nobody at that time. Bring them out, somebody is one next Sunday that we want somebody else. Because we really are trying to see if we could meet somebody who will fit my energy, fit my vibe. You know? So
You were searching.
yeah, so 2 years I'm going strong, guys. Here we still are. Here we still are.
200 more years to go.
Nah, but it's a long way. Yeah, so we have some more videos for you guys. We have a video in terms of where we met.
That's a hot one.
I want them to have a life. I was saying, yo, now us. Yeah, we're not telling them more fun. We're telling them how we met. And yeah. So this is it, guys. You know, thanks for watching. As I said, please comment. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. We really appreciate it. And all the best on your YouTube journey, you know. Yeah. I tell you, look at her, guys. Isn't she? Come on, show the people like that. Bring it in for her. Look at her, guys. Look at her. Look what I caught. Guys, I caught, I captured, and I conquered. look at that sweetness, guys. Look at that.
Alright.
Oh boy. This is naturally real, guys. So naturally real. It's nice. Yeah. Remember we say if you want to get back to your natural hair roots, find Tanisha Murphy. She will get you back to it. She will get you back to it, guys. So yeah, I think I found that gem, and I'm holding on to this gem, I should have given that the next time. Yes, guys. I hold on for the gem, so we get the next step soon. On the gem, yeah. 2 years ago, she fell asleep in the car. I'm gonna bring her home. But the Almighty said, don't bring her home, dude. Bring her back to the club.
Let's go party.
Bring her back to the club, guys. And
Let's go.
see you there. Yeah. Peace out.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet.